friends, welcome to my channel Techno Boy, and today I am gonna show you how to make a radar system with Arduino UNO. For this you need a breadboard, Arduino UNO, a servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, few wires and some chip ties. So this is the software in which I am making the circuit diagram. You can find the download link in description. As you can see on my screen, this is the ultrasonic sensor over here. It has four legs, or you can see pins. First one is the VCC, second is the trigged pin, third is the echo pin, and fourth is the ground. So first one is the VCC pin. It is the positive pin. It will go to the positive rail of the breadboard, and the last pin, which is the ground pin, will go to the ground rail of the breadboard. Similarly, here is the servo. It also has a positive and negative wire, so the positive wire will go to the positive rail of the breadboard over here, and the negative wire will go to the negative rail of the breadboard. After that, just connect the positive 5 volt of the Arduino UNO to the positive rail of the breadboard, and the negative wire of the Arduino UNO to the negative rail of the breadboard. Then connect the signal wire of servo to pin number 12 of Arduino UNO, and on the ultrasonic sensor, as you can see, the second pin is the trigger pin, which will be connected to the pin number 11 on the Arduino UNO, and the third pin is the echo pin, which will be connected to the pin number 10 on Arduino UNO. This is a very simple schematic. You can download the schematic from the description. Okay, so here you can see I have connected all the wires and completed the circuit. So now just let's program. Connect the cable to the Arduino and program. So after connecting the cable, go to your desktop PC and open Arduino IDE. I have already opened, and as you can see, here is the code. So this trig pin is pin number 11 on Arduino UNO, and this is the echo pin. It is pin number 10 on Arduino. This is the servo pin, which is on pin number 12. And after seeing, just go to tools, select the Arduino board and select the port. I am having COM6, my port is COM6, and I have to remember this. And after this is selected, back, and then go to this button, this upload button, and upload the code to the Arduino UNO. Wait for a while until the code is uploaded. So as you can see, it is showing compiling sketch, and this is the process bar, and wait for it to upload. And now as you can see, this is done uploading. The code is uploaded to my Arduino. Then minimize the window and open up processing 3. All the software links are given in description. You can download it from there. So over here, as you can see, this is the starting of the code from here. On line number 17 over here, you can see it is written as size. Here you have to enter your screen resolution, the resolution of your screen, and I will show you how you can find your resolution. Right click on your desktop, you will see option screen resolution, click on it, and then you will see a resolution over here. So mine is 1280 into 1024. So as you can see, I have already I have not written it, so now I will write it. So mine is 1280, as you can see I am writing, and 1 1024. So I have written this, and after that on COM port 19, as you can see, it is written as COM 5, but mine is COM 6, in which Arduino is connected, the port. So I have to write it COM 6. After doing this, just press this run button. This button over here, it looks like play. Just press it. I have pressed, and then wait for a while to start it. As you can see, it has started and it is working well. So there are some obstacles on my table, so it is detecting that. Wait, I have removed the obstacles. Now it is showing green. The red lines are the obstacles, and this corner you can see I have having some obstacle, and you can test it. You place any object in front of the sensor, and you will see that red lines are appearing on the screen. After doing this, just now, as you can see, this is all working very nice. So if you like the video, please say like, share and subscribe. Thank you.